Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to continue our lessons with knife cuts with these small dice. Small dice, if we can remember, our dimensions are 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. So here we are. We're going to use this sweet potato today to cut our small dice. Again, the small dice is 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. We've got our knife, our steel, our peeler. And obviously we want to begin by peeling our potato. Being sure to keep our station clean. We want to get rid of the peels before we continue. Now the first step that we need to do, and this is going to go for any of the dices that we want to perform, we want to begin by squaring off our product. So we cut the ends off. Now we're going to cut in and cut the sides off. Note how my pinch grip is keeping my knife nice and steady. I've got the claw guiding the knife through the product. And now we have what we'll call our block. The next move that we want to make is we're going to cut off a plank off of this block. So if we're doing a small dice, we're going to begin with a 1/4 inch plank. We line up our knife right here, looking straight down the blade, making sure that it's 1/4 inch in from the edge. Gripping the knife firmly, we're going to use a forward and down cutting motion. Let's do that one more time. Make sure we're 1/4 inch in, forward and down. We'll do it here. And then lastly, now all of the trim that we have here, we may not necessarily want to use for our small dice, but we can definitely save that for any potato puree that we want to make, or if we want to turn it into a sweet potato soup. This is not trash, but we're not going to be able to execute our knife cuts with this today. Now we have our 1/4 inch slice. Next move we're going to do exactly the same on the first. We're going to come in 1/4 inch from the edge, forward and down, forward and down. And what we have here are batons, 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch by 2 to 3 inches. And when you get a little bit more experienced, we can stack 2 or 3 on top of each other and cut even more. And lastly, take this one. So now we have all of our batons, 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch, and now we're going to cut them 1/4 inch square cube. When you first start off doing this knife cut, it's important that we get the size down, and we're not necessarily working towards speed. However, when you get more experienced, we can do multiples at once. So we can get our job done that much quicker. And there we have it. Small dice sweet potato. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.